Android Data Binding Library is probably one of the most underrated and least known official Android libraries there are. This library helps you eliminate boilerplate code, a lot of repetitive code, and keep your codebase cleaner. It also helps you write more dynamic, more reactive code. And it helps you keep your code organized and your UI logic separate from your business logic. You should be excited about learning Android Data Binding Library because it's a powerful tool. It lets you create dynamic layouts. If your data model is modified internally, then the layout will automatically reflect those changes. Or vice versa, if the UI is modified by the user, there's an interaction or change, then the data model will reflect this interaction or change. Also, the events are simpler and easier to implement using data binding. Working as a full-time developer, I really value Android Data Binding Library because it lets me save valuable time, helps me write more concise and more clean code base, and also it allows me to do cool things that I was not able to do before.